Welcome all of you to this particular video of discussing solution answer key for the quiz 3 problems on fraction, ratio and proportion. Let us see the numericals. A is to B is 3 is to 5, B is to C is 6 is to 9. Find A is to C. What we do? A by B is 3 by 5. So we express A is equal to 3 by 5B. We express B as 6 by 9C and solve this simultaneous equation. We get A is to C is 2 is to 5. Second question is 25% of A is 30% of B. We simply make 25% of A is equal to 30% of B. So 25 by 100 A is equal to 30 by 100 B, and we simplify, we get A by B ratio is 6 by 5. Next, if rupees 820 is divided into three parts A, B, C, proportional to 1 by 3 to 3 by 4 to 5 by 8, find the first part A. What we do? We say A is equal to 1/3 of some constant P, B is equal to 3/4 of P, C is equal to 5/8 of P. Then simply add all of them to 820, we get the value of P, substitute value of P, we get the value of A. A is 160. We see the fourth example. If two numbers A and B are in the ratio 2 is to 5, if 10 are added to both the numbers, then the ratio becomes 4 is to 7. Let the bigger number be B and smaller number be A. A is equal to 2P and B is equal to 5P because we want to keep them into ratio 2 is to 5. A plus 10 upon B plus 10 is equal to 4 is to 7. So cross multiplication, simplify this and we get the answer A 25. Three numbers are in proportion 2 is to 3 is to 5 and their product is 1920. So what we do, we accept number them as A, B, C, where A is 2P, B is 3P, C is 5P, and multiplication of all of them will be 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30, and P into P into P is P cube. So P cube is 64, so P is 4. Substitute this, we get the answer. The answer is option B, that is 40. The sum of the numbers, once we get A, we made A plus B plus C and we get the 40 answer. Question number 6 is 30 liters of mixture of milk and water has 80% milk and 20% water. Now look here, in 30 liters, 80% milk is 24 liters and 6 liter is water. Suppose we add additional 6 liter water to it. The solution becomes 36 liter, but water becomes 6 plus C, that is 12. So in 36, 12 is the water and milk is 24. So 24 by 36 is the ratio. So milk becomes 66.66%. Next, in a class, 15% boys are same in number as 1/5 of the girls. So we say 15 by 100 boys is equal to 1 by 5 girls. We simplify and boys by girl we get 8 is to 6. Question number 8. A varies inversely with the square of B. So what we do? We consider A is equal to K by B square. K is a constant of proportionality and therefore K is equal to A into B square. Put the value of B and put the value of A. We get the value of K as 4800. Using this, put the value of B and we get the value of A as 192 and answer we get. Next, question number 9. A is to B is 3 is to 5. B minus A is 40. Find A. Again we take them in a ratio. We say A is equal to 3P and B is equal to 5P. Difference in them will be 2P and that difference is given as 40. So 2P is 40, so P is 20. Substitute this, we get the answer that value of A is 40. And the last question, an amount of 150 rupees is divided into 3 persons A, B, C, and that if their shares be reduced by 5, 10 and 15 respectively, then the remainder shall be in the ratio 2 is to 4 is to 6. Now let the shares of A, B, C be P, Q, R respectively. Then when their shares are reduced, we get P minus 5, Q minus 10 and R minus 15. And they happen to be in the ratio 2 is to 4 is to 6. We simplify all of them and we get the answer D 50 is the answer for this. Look here, in all these problems, simplification is significantly important. What we do, whatever we do not know, assume them as variable, put the variables into relationship and put equations, solve the equations, we'll get 3 equation 3 unknown, 2 equation 2 unknown, then 1 equation 1 unknown, and simply substitute the values, we can get values of all unknowns. The moment we get values of all unknowns, definitely we can answer whatever is asked in the question. In sometime question, the larger number is asked, smaller number is asked, sometimes the addition of the two numbers is asked, sometimes multiplication of two numbers is asked. Check what is asked in the question. Otherwise we will get something and we will put it as answer. Something else may be asked in answer based on it. Take care. All the best to all of you. Thank you.